Step into the future of mixology with Royal Caribbean's Bionic Bar, where precision meets innovation to deliver a cocktail experience unlike any other. This robotic bartending concept is not just a bar, it's a spectacle, an adventure, and testament of the boundless possibilities of technology. Royal Caribbean's Bionic Bar is a unique bar that combines technology, entertainment, and alcohol to provide a popular, interactive experience for cruisers on select Royal Caribbean ships. This bar is a robotic system that uses a pair of bionic arms to mix and serve drinks on board. The magic begins as guests approach the Bionic Bar touchscreen tablets. Here they can browse through the extensive menu featuring classic cocktails, signature creation, or customized option. With just few taps, guests can select their desired drink, customize ingredients and flavors, and even save their creation for future enjoyment. Once the orders is placed, the robotic arm spring into action with speed and precision. They retrieve the necessary ingredients from the array of premium spirits, mixers, and garnishes lining the bar. Each movement is choreographed to perfection, ensuring that every cocktail is crafted with utmost care and attention to detail. Whether you're cruising the Caribbean, exploring the Mediterranean, or embarking on the world voyage, be sure to stop at the Bionic Bar and raise a glass to the future of mixology. Cheers to unforgettable experience and endless possibilities.